Hello, I'm Ma Haijiao. Today I want to talk about the major developments in silicon and imaging, media and technology. Firstly, I want to talk about my first project time and place. I used the Reso and Adobe Photoshop in this project. This is my sketch. Project revolves around reviving the visual system of road sign and using humor to get people to slow down and not run the traffic line. The imaging medium used for this project was the Adobe Design software and the Resolve painting technique. At first, I sketched using drawing, which is ineffective and not be able to the active blood change. Also, my aim is to learn about the rule of school workshop like Resolve painting and use Photoshop AI and other Adobe's design software. Yeah, like this. Uh, this Adobe technology come to our life and make our work be effective. Imaging of Adobe design software broken through traditional drawing and allowed the imagery of AI vector graphic, which they were able to use in more communication, comical ways, and the readability of the imagery text becomes stronger. The creation of motion graphic has also become easier because of the emergency of design software. So, by choosing to create a motion poster based on a traditional physical poster, I could make people want to read and take in the message. And I create a lot of poster. And here is my link to Manic poster. They are so different color made by Riso painting. And I want to uh, introduce about the Riso painting. The high-speed digital print combines the traditional scroll painting sculpture and the original Riso technology. Print cost per copy decreased as the number of output seats per master increased. And I learned from this how Riso paints and how it works. I use the medium of Riso with its bright color and Riso and Rito texture, which with the aim of showing down the user through the color of the medium, the vector, which humorous road sign bring those roadsides that keep people safe back into the line. And I choose the red and blue for the color as those were the original stand color, which could remind people of the original meaning of the logo and make it easy for people to identify it better. This is my Riso painting process, and I think Riso is a texture that technology printer do not have, which promotes the development of painting. It's very imaging in the road in the flight of fashion and illustration painting. It can be used for photo depilation. Its raw materials used soap-based dry materials, which were very environmental friendly and suitable for sustainable development. And this is my project's brief. And I put the result poster in the ground. This is my outcome. So many different color.
So let's talk about the happiness and well-being. And I searched a lot. And this is the project's background. I want people play with flower design, make us happy. And this is my mind map. I used the four technology in this project. And Nomad for modeling, Procreate for underflooring UV, and painting and coloring, Reality Composer and Artivave app for AR virtual reality interaction. So why I choose the Nomad? Because I can use the Nomad in Pad mobile phone. I can model it every time, everywhere for design to recall the inspiration creates is still very convenient. If the use of computer software is limited, if I want to model on the go, then computer modeling software 3-4D, Blender Maya 3D Max, and so on. Nomad plugs the use of Apple ME chip on the side, and the increasing use of mobile Sculpture capture, mobile capture. Nomad is also used more and more frequently. It's good for nervous to use in addition to basic operation of climb and move to play with the climb sketching exam express because it's also known as 2.5D software. The 3D model effect can be achieved with 2D operation math. And the second software is Procreate. It has so many advantages. It's simple and easy to use, and ecology integrity published in the community materials, tutorials, more complaint, and low learning cost. You can work to show them community to find inspiration, and it's better optimized, and it has so many brush, but the disadvantage is the lay restriction because they can't move precisely. And the Reality Composer and the Reality Vive app makes the AR accessible to the global public. It's not difficult to learn how to use it, and the attractive of AR technology is that it allows people to experiment with context that is close to reality, and it's very easy to learn. So I use Nomad to build this flower model, and I used the Procreate to change the color, and after I get the feedback, then the first job and the final visuals, I change the color, and I find some reference about the hunting effects of the ecology on emotion. So I choose the AI to do this project. I use the visual plant IP where each plant has its own number to create an AI effect that allows people to feel the joy of connecting with the plant as they scan through the software and receive emotional handing through the visual plant. Then I use the QR code design. It's also a very new technology and mediums in our daily life. So I have used the QR code as an imaging technology to uh, facilitate the communication of our floral views. And here is a link. I do some floral floral model and put it in the relative life. Yeah. I use the Artivative to to do this effect by scanning the poster through the Artivative app. You can see this effect and enhancing the imaging of the visual flower and makes the experience more interactive for the viewer. It's a data gazing flower. Yeah, this is a AI effect. And I used the Reality Composer to do this effect. It's quite different from the last one. So this is my creative reflection, and this is my reference. That's all. Thank you.